guys? This is Ghost Cali Rebuildables. I'm back in Cali, and this is gonna be round 2 on the carbon fiber vinyl wrap on the E90. Some of you suggested, water and soap, so that's what I'm gonna do. There's the truck. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys, and hopefully goes better this time. Okay guys, here we are. So I'm using, you guys told me to use soapy water, and this is what I'm using, window film application solution. So still have enough. That's what I use for the to tint the windows on the F-150. So I mean, if it's good for the tint, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be okay for the wrap. So that's what I'm using, guys. Hopefully it turns out okay. If I'm doing it wrong, if this thing's no good, please let me know in the comment section. Or if you guys have tried this, also let me know in the comment section. So that's just the first half. Let me try and put it on. Okay guys, check this out. I have the heat gun on. This is what it's looking so far. I don't know if you guys can see some stripes right here. The stripes, I guess those were done with the printer, I guess, when they were printing it. I got it from a different place, and I definitely regret it, guys, because the last time I got it, supposedly it's a 7D. The last time, remember, I was telling you it was 5D, but it was 5D reflective. Now this ain't reflective, and I don't like the way these ones look, because when the other one, you could see like a kind of reflection from all these little squares or rectangles, whatever they are. You could see like the little lines reflecting on the sun, and it made it look like a lot better. Like they look better, like the real thing. And this one, these little lines don't reflect anything, guys. So let me show you guys the view. It's a beautiful view, as you can see. The Staples Center looks really cool when it's lit up at night. Legendary view, guys. So right now I'm gonna go down to the garage, hop on my McLaren, and see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So I'm here for the weekend in Santa Clara. I'm in a hotel, I'm in Hyatt, over next to the Levi's Stadium, but an earthquake just happened. I don't know if you guys felt it. Today is July 5th at around 8:25, 8:30, around there. I can't really remember the exact time, but I was up here in the 7th floor, and it started, it felt like we were in water, we just from one side to another slowly, but it lasted like, I don't know, but it lasted all kind of like a minute or something like that. Let me show you. So let me show you guys. I'm on the 7th floor. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall, but so it was pretty scary up here, guys. I'm in Santa Clara, up north, I don't know how many miles north of San Jose. It's practically San Jose, but maybe like 10-15 miles north of San Jose, something like that. I don't know, don't roast me if I say wrong, if I'm wrong, but like I said, it was pretty scary being up here in the 7th floor. And like I said, I'm in the hotel, so I grabbed my kids and went down to the hall, and I saw everybody just going out of the rooms all crazy looking, walking down the stairs, and everybody was outside the hotel, where I showed you guys down there. But let me know if you guys felt it. Practically, I'm just recording this because I want to know if you guys felt it. I think it was a 7.1. That's what they were saying right now a couple minutes ago. Down south, I think it was in Southern California, where the main epicenter was. But we felt it up here. I mean, from Southern California the way to Santa Clara, I mean, it's pretty far. Even though I think the San Andreas fault is somewhere around here, you know, passes through somewhere around here. But I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you felt it, or yeah, if you felt it, and how do you guys feel it? Where were you guys and stuff like that? So that's pretty cool. I would like to know. So
Guys, so I'm back home. Today's Monday though. I was for the whole weekend over in Santa Clara, but now I'm back home, and as you can see behind me, there's a Mini. There's a Lincoln that you guys don't know that much about, besides the ceramic coating that I did on it. Over there, you can see the Nissan Sentra and my wife's Mazda. But if you look around, you guys can't see the e90. That's because the e90 is gone. As soon as I did the wrap on the hood, and that same day I took some pictures. I post them online. I just try to see put them out there to see what's how much people are willing to pay for it, just to have an idea. And I was gonna wrap the whole thing, and I have the wrap right here, guys. And let me show it to you guys. You just see the wrap's in there. I did the wrap. As soon as I did the wrap, the car looked a bit different, as you guys saw in the pictures. And I posted it back online, and like 15 minutes later, I got a message from a person that was interested in it. And at first I thought he was gonna flake and stuff like that, but he said he was gonna be here the next day in the morning, and first thing in the morning he was here with the money, and he took it, and I kept the wrap. This car's not mine, this is my brother's. Well, there it is. No more e90s. So I still gotta make a video on this. I did the ceramic coating on this, and I haven't done a second video to follow up. It is pretty dirty right now. Make a second video on this. So of course the license plates on both of them, this one's painted, that one's wrapped. Let me show you guys the difference. Like I said, this is painted, and I like the paint way better than the vinyl wrap, guys. I've been having a lot of problems with the vinyl wrap, even on my cars, because I stretch it too much, and these things tends to rip because I stretch it too much, just to get rid of the little bubbles. These little bubbles, you can see, you see that bubble right there? These little bubbles. So I didn't want to stretch this one too much. That's why it hasn't ripped. But on my wife's car, I stretched it too much to where these bubbles weren't there, and well, they ripped. I am looking for a new project. I've been looking at Copart for a while now, but I don't want to rush into it. I want to take things little by little. I think the worst cars that I've gotten so far is the e90. I mean, this one, if you remember the old pictures from this one, I'll leave probably a photo right here. It looked pretty bad, but honestly, it was one of the easiest cars that I got to work on. So yeah, like I said, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have a Mini Cooper and you guys need the OBD adapter for the diagnostics and stuff like that, and the app, check the link in the description. You'll see a link where you could get the Carly app and the Carly OBD reader for BMW and Mini Cooper, which is the same one. The BMW works for the Mini. Also, guys, if you want to do ceramic coating on your car, check out my video somewhere up here on how to apply the ceramic coating. And if you guys want to buy some ceramic coating, you guys get $25 off with the promo code Cali25 in the link below in the description also. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one.